Welcome to a Jewish Museum art workshop. Today we will make colorful collages using textures from around your home. You will make your own paper using rubbings inspired by the beautiful surface designs and textures of Hanukkah menorahs. This collage will become a work of art for the holidays. Hanukkah is a festival of lights, and each night we light a Hanukkah lamp or a Hanukkah menorah to celebrate the holiday. Notice how these menorahs were sculpted with detailed raised areas, creating beautiful textures and patterns. Now, let's make some art inspired by these objects. You will need paper, crayons, pencils, or colored pencils. Begin by looking around you. What textures can you find? Textures might be hiding in unexpected places. Now take your paper and go on a texture hunt. You may start noticing that textures are all around us. Make sure to hold your paper firmly in place as you make your rubbings. You might want to ask a friend or an adult to help with this. You can collect textures from outside as well. What textures do you find inside? What textures are found outside? You can use objects around the house, or leaves, or other natural materials you find outside. You can layer the rubbings of different textures for a really exciting effect with patterns one on top of each other. Take all of your colorful rubbings and use them to make a Hanukkah collage. What colors and what shapes will you use? Use scissors and glue. What design will you make? Happy Hanukkah!